All right, I'm in Carpinteria, California at LinkedIn Learning's beautiful studios. We're recording some courses here. Oz is a fellow LinkedIn Learning author. This is Oz de Soleil. He's an expert in Excel, and you teach these courses on Excel that are fantastic, but you took a kind of an interesting career path to discover your strength, to find out that Excel was the thing for you. How'd you tell us briefly that story?
Well, I was working in a call center and they were complaining about my performance. So I needed data. They had data, I needed data. And it wound up showing some things that none of us expected. Like
with the spreadsheet you put together.
Right. And the ugly pie charts and everything, the bad formulas I wrote back then. But we had no clue how much tech support calls were coming through there.
Yeah.
And eventually they got to they outsourced the tech support calls because management thought every call coming in was, here, take my money, but it was not.
And how did you transition from like creating that spreadsheet, showing that to them, to I could teach this to people?
Because people sensed my passion and my patience for teaching Excel.
Yeah.
And they suggested, you should teach this. So an opportunity presented itself for me to teach, and I've loved it.
And that's the same thing I teach in Discovering Your Strengths. People will notice something that you can do, and you may think, oh, anyone can do this, but they can't. You do it special, right? Yeah, you do it special. So where can people go to see your amazing stuff on Excel, other than LinkedIn Learning, which we'll link to?
All right. My YouTube channel, Excel on Fire.
Excel on Fire?
Excel on Fire.
Check this guy out. I love your sense of style, sense of fashion in that. It's amazing, memorable. So such a pleasure to meet you, Oz.
Right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right.